Hey everyone. In this video I will show you how to create playlist on YouTube. So let's get started. First of all you need to log in to YouTube. Then click on profile icon at the top right corner. Here you can see YouTube Studio. Click on it. Now, there are two ways to create playlist. First is, click on contents. Then click on playlist. Then click on new playlist. Then for second way you don't need to go anywhere. You can see create option at the top right corner. Click on it. Then select new playlist. Now, you can enter playlist name. Like, I write here Discord. Then you can write description, if you want. Then from this drop down menu, you can select visibility. After that click on create. Then in playlist tab, you can see playlist is created. Then to add video in playlist, open playlist. Then click on videos. From here select add video. Upon clicking it will show you two options: upload new videos. From this option you can directly upload video from system to playlist. And then second option is choose existing videos. With this option you can add videos that are already uploaded on channel. As I upload video from channel, I select second option. Then a video list will appear. As you can see I have uploaded one video for demonstration. Select videos and then click on add. It may takes few seconds. After that as you can see video is added in playlist. That's it. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Goodbye.